Across Europe, rail freight is the backbone of sustainable transport. With support of Europe's rail joint undertaking, we are working towards a modified approach of wagon diagnostics. This is based on digitalization, supporting our colleagues. The aim is to benefit from new technologies in order to make operations more efficient. Until recently, wagon inspection was a time-consuming process involving several manual steps. This meant a lot of paperwork and manual data entries before and after checking a damaged wagon. Colleagues had to walk long distances in the yard, despite of rain, snow or heat, at daytime or at night. Today, our colleagues' work is supported by a network of video gates. High-resolution line scan cameras capture the wagons from different perspectives as it passes the gates. 13 gates across 8 sites in Germany now cover damaged wagons. Artificial intelligence models are trained on this image data to detect damages. Even complex patterns can be identified to support our experts. Now, with the new digital process, the wagon passes the gate and only seconds later the images can be reviewed on screen. There's even a camera offering top-view images of a wagon, a completely new perspective. The AI assistant highlights possible issues, while the human expert is making the final evaluation. Thanks to the digital supported wagon diagnostics, maintenance orders can be placed more efficiently and a more convenient new job profile has been created for our colleagues.
Enabling the cooperation of the stakeholders in the railway sector is the core of the Europe's rail joint undertaking, and today we could witness live how the intelligent video gates can optimize the work in the marshalling yards.
In the FP5-TRANS4M-R project, all stakeholders of the sector work together to realize innovation. In this case, infrastructure managers and railway undertakings. This unique setup allows for close collaboration and for progress on standardization and harmonization of processes.
By sharing knowledge with our partners across Europe, we are enabling common technology and standards in rail freight transport.